Hurmatli muxlislar, bizni qo'llab-quvvatlayotganingiz uchun katta rahmat. Sizlarga yana shuni ham aytmoqchimizki, kanalimizning rivojlanishi, unda berib borilayotgan videolar ko'pchilikka yetib borishi uchun layk tugmasini bosib qo'yishni unutmang. Siz uchun bu sarflangan bir soniya xolos. Biz uchun esa kanalimizni rivojlantirish uchun katta imkoniyatdir. Agar videolarimiz sizga manzur bo'layotgan bo'lsa, obuna bo'lishni ham aslo unutmang. Marhamat, tomosha qiling.
Arise.
Paydo bo'lish.
Arise. To arise is to happen.
Paydo bo'lish bu sodir bo'lishdir.
Difficulties arose with his computer because it was old.
Uning kompyuteri eski bo'lganligi sababli qiyinchiliklar paydo bo'ldi.
Benefactor.
Muruvvat ko'rsatuvchi, xayrixoh.
Benefactor. A benefactor is a person who gives money to help someone.
Xayr ehson qiluvchi, kimgadir yordam berish uchun pul beradigan kishi.
The student's benefactor gave him money to spend on his studies.
Talabaning homiysi unga o'qishga sarflash uchun pul berdi.
Blacksmith.
Temirchi.
Blacksmith. A blacksmith is a person who makes things out of metal.
Temirchi metaldan buyumlar yasaydigan shaxs.
The blacksmith pounded the piece of metal until it was flat.
Temirchi temir parchasini tekis bo'lguncha urdi.
Charitable.
Xayriya.
Charitable. When someone is charitable, they help people who are in need.
Kimdir xayriya qilsa, muhtojlarga yordam beradi.
My sister was charitable enough to help me buy my first house.
Opam birinchi uyimni sotib olishimga yordam berish uchun yetarlicha xayriya qila olar edi.
Chimney.
Mo'ri.
Chimney. A chimney is a tall pipe used to carry smoke out of a building.
Mo'ri bu binodan tutun chiqarish uchun ishlatiladigan baland quvur.
The cat was on the roof sitting next to the chimney.
Mushuk uyingizda mo'ri yonida o'tirgan edi.
Compensate.
Kompensatsiya qilish.
Compensate. To compensate is to pay someone for the time they spent doing something.
Kompensatsiya qilish bu kimgadir biror narsa qilish uchun sarflagan vaqti uchun to'lovdir.
Her boss compensated her for the extra work she did last week.
Uning xo'jayini unga o'tgan hafta qilgan qo'shimcha ishi uchun kompensatsiya berdi.
Encounter.
Duch kelish.
Encounter. If you encounter something, you meet or come close to it.
Agar biror narsaga duch kelsangiz, u bilan uchrashasiz yoki yaqinlashasiz.
I encountered a sea turtle while I was swimming.
Men suzayotganimda dengiz toshbaqasiga duch keldim.
Exceed.
Ortib ketish.
Exceed. To exceed is to be more than something.
Ortib ketish bu biror narsadan ko'proq bo'lish.
Since I exceeded my limit, I decided to get rid of my credit cards.
Limitdan ortib ketganim sababli kredit kartalarimdan xalos bo'lishga qaror qildim.
Forge.
Qiyinchilik bilan yasamoq.
Forge. To forge is to make or produce, especially with difficulty.
Qiyinchilik bilan yasamoq bu yasash yoki ishlab chiqarish, ayniqsa qiyinchilik bilan.
Stacy and Heather forged their friendship when they were teenagers.
Stacy va Heather o'smirlik chog'larida do'stlikni mustahkamlagan.
Humble.
Kamtarin.
Humble. People who are humble do not believe that they are better than other people.
Kamtarin odamlar o'zlarining boshqa odamlardan yaxshiroq ekanligiga ishonmaydilar.
Even though Bob is the smartest boy in his class, he is humble.
Bob o'z sinfidagi eng aqlli bola bo'lsa ham, u kamtar.
Iron.
Temir.
Iron. Iron is a strong metal that is used to make many objects.
Temir bu kuchli metal bo'lib, u ko'plab narsalarni yasashda ishlatiladi.
The horse had shoes made of iron.
Otning temirdan yasalgan taqasi bor edi.
Ladder.
narvon,
Ladder. A ladder is an object that is used to climb up and down things.
narvon bu narsalarni yuqoriga va pastga tushirish uchun ishlatiladigan obyekt.
He used a ladder to climb to the top of his treehouse.
U daraxt uyining tepasiga chiqish uchun narvondan foydalangan.
Modest.
Kamtarin,
Modest. If people are modest, they do not think that they are too important.
agar odamlar kamtar bo'lsa, ular o'zlarini juda muhim deb hisoblamaydilar.
Derek is very modest for someone who is so rich.
Derek juda boy odam uchun juda kamtar.
Occupy.
Egallash,
Occupy. To occupy a place is to live, work, or be there.
biror joyni egallash bu yashash, ishlash yoki u yerda bo'lish.
Kevin and Alice occupied the chairs and had a long discussion.
Kevin va Alice stullarni egallab uzoq muhokama qilishdi.
Penny.
Tiyin,
Penny. A penny is a coin worth 1 cent.
bir tiyin bu 1 sentga teng tangadir.
U.S. President Abraham Lincoln is on the penny.
AQSh prezidenti Abraham Lincoln 1 tiyinlik ustida bor.
Preach.
Ma'ruza qilish, va'z qilish.
Preach. To preach is to talk about and promote a religious idea.
Va'z qilish bu diniy g'oya haqida gapirish va targ'ib qilishdir.
Aaron often preached about living an honest life.
Xorin tez-tez halol hayot kechirish haqida va'z qilar edi.
Prosper.
Rivojlanish,
Prosper. To prosper is to be successful or make a lot of money.
rivojlanish bu muvaffaqiyatga erishish yoki ko'p pul topishdir.
Frank's new business finally prospered after many years of hard work.
Frankning yangi biznesi ko'p yillik mashaqqatli mehnatdan so'ng nihoyat gullab yashnadi.
Province.
Viloyat,
Province. A province is a small area that is controlled by a country.
viloyat bu mamlakat tomonidan nazorat qilinadigan kichik hudud.
Canada is divided into several different provinces.
Kanada bir nechta turli viloyatlarga bo'lingan.
Satisfaction.
Qanoatlanish, qoniqish.
Satisfaction. Satisfaction is a feeling you get when you do or receive something good.
Qanoatlanish bu yaxshi narsa qilganingizda yoki olganingizda paydo bo'ladigan tuyg'u.
Brad was filled with satisfaction when he saw what was for dinner.
Brad kechki ovqat uchun nima borligini ko'rib mamnun bo'ldi.
Sustain.
Ushlab turish,
Sustain. To sustain something is to keep it going.
biror narsani ushlab turish uni davom ettirishdir.
Wind power is a clean way to sustain a city with energy.
Shamol energiyasi shaharni energiya bilan ta'minlashning toza usulidir.
The real Saint Nick.
Haqiqiy aziz Nick.
At Christmas, children wait for Saint Nicholas to bring gifts down the chimney. But it's not just a story. Saint Nicholas was a real person.
Rajdesvoda bolalar aziz Nikolayni mo'ridan sovg'alar olib kelishlarini kutishadi. Lekin bu shunchaki hikoya emas. Aziz Nikolay haqiqiy shaxs edi.
A long time ago, a man named Marcus occupied a house with his family. He was not modest. He always told everybody he was the strongest man in the province.
Uzoq vaqt oldin Markus ismli bir kishi oilasi bilan bir uyda yashagan. U kamtar emas edi. U har doim hammaga o'zini viloyatdagi eng kuchli odam deb aytar edi.
He worked hard, but he could barely sustain his family. He wanted to save money and prosper. Still, he could never earn a penny more than he needed.
U ko'p mehnat qildi, lekin oilasini zo'rg'a boqdi. U pulini tejashni va rivojlantirishni xohladi. Shunday bo'lsa-da, u hech qachon kerak bo'lganidan ko'proq pul topa olmadi.
One day, Marcus made an agreement with a blacksmith. The blacksmith had a lot of work to do, but he couldn't do it all by himself.
Bir kuni Markus temirchi bilan shartnoma tuzdi. Temirchining juda ko'p qiladigan ishlari bor edi. Ammo u hammasini o'zi qila olmas edi.
Marcus wanted to help him forge iron. The blacksmith agreed to compensate him with a lot of money.
Marcus unga temir yasashda yordam bermoqchi edi. Temirchi unga katta pul to'lashga rozi bo'ldi.
In the same town, there was a man named Nicholas. At an early age, Nicholas started preaching, but he also believed that he should be humble and charitable.
Xuddi shu shaharda Nikolay ismli bir odam bor edi. Nikolay erta yoshda va'z qila boshladi. Ammo u kamtar va xayrixoh bo'lishi kerakligiga ham ishongan.
He learned that helping people gave him even more satisfaction than preaching.
U odamlarga yordam berish, va'z qilishdan ko'ra ko'proq qoniqish hosil qilishini bildi.
One day, Nicholas encountered Marcus. Marcus told Nicholas about his agreement with the blacksmith.
Bir kuni Nikolay Marcus bilan uchrashib qoldi. Marcus Nikolayga temirchi bilan kelishuvi haqida gapirib berdi.
I worked hard for him, Marcus said, but a problem arose. Even though I worked for him, he didn't pay me.
Men u uchun ko'p ishladim, dedi Marcus. Lekin muammo paydo bo'ldi. Men uning uchun ishlagan bo'lsam ham menga pul bermadi.
Nicholas wanted to help Marcus. That night, he went back to Marcus's house. He brought a bag of gold. It exceeded the amount that Marcus needed.
Nikolay Marcusga yordam berishni xohladi. O'sha oqshom u Marcusning uyiga qaytdi. U bir qop tilla olib keldi. Bu Marcusga kerak bo'lgandan ko'proq edi.
Nicholas climbed up a ladder and dropped the bag of gold down the chimney. Marcus thanked his benefactor.
Nikolay zinapayiga ko'tarilib, mo'riga oltin qopni tashladi. Marcus xayrixohiga minnatdorchilik bildirdi.
Soon, people found out about Nicholas's gift. He became well known and loved.
Ko'p o'tmay odamlar Nikolayning sovg'asi haqida bilib olishdi. U yaxshi tanildi va sevimli bo'ldi.
Even today, people still give secret gifts to children, and we say they are from Saint Nicholas.
Bugungi kunda ham odamlar bolalarga yashirin sovg'alar berishadi. Va biz ularni aziz Nikolaydan deymiz.